Hello, my name is Nigel Higgins and I work at Airbus as a design process architect. As you can see from the background here, I'm currently working at home because of the COVID-19 situation. And it's in relation to that situation that I would like to set a project. The project is to look at how you could adapt existing airports and aircraft to allow you to fly passengers with social distancing being respected. There's many elements to this that can be looked at, and you can look at one of these in detail, or maybe look at them all as a complete scenario. So think about if we start at the airport, the first thing you do when you arrive, typically check in. So that could be handing over tickets or receiving your boarding card, and also checking in any luggage. Now, obviously now at the moment you're handing over physical objects. Now, once you've checked in, normally you'd go through security. So putting your items through an X-ray machine, but also walking yourself through a scanner, which may also involve you being manually searched if anything's flagged up on that scanner. Once you pass through security, in some airports you may go through immigration control, where they're checking your passport and boarding cards. Again, manually handing over documents today. And once you've gone through immigration, you may wish to visit shops or restaurants there before making your way to departure lounge, where you wait to board your aircraft. Then finally, before you board your aircraft, there's a check on your ticket, boarding card and your passports. Now think about once you leave the gate, you're then on the aircraft. So typically a lot of people in close proximity trying to find their seats and sitting in close proximity. But it doesn't end there. If you're on a long flight, you're going to need something to eat and drink, and don't forget you're likely to need to go to the toilet. So there's a lot of aspects there that you can look at, and that can be looking at how we adapt things for permanent or temporary scenarios. So could we change it back in a few months' time, or is it something that you need to design long term? And there may be different ways that you adopt for different scenarios. Now, for your project brief, you could deliver this in a number of ways, as a presentation, as a document, just describing your ideas on how we could adapt those items to allow us to fly in the existing environment. Good luck and enjoy yourselves.